Kristinowski with your Storm Scoop from Weather Briefings. This is Friday, September 25th, 2020, and we will call this one Falling into Place. Let's get started. This is obviously a change. We're used to seeing a lot more activity here in the Atlantic and Gulf, and we really have nothing much going on. So it's a different view, that's for sure. As for any tropical activity, I would begin to look here in this exact squashed footprint for a slow festering to begin in about 2 weeks. Remember, we've discussed the last 2 days about the slowdown but eventual second wave, I guess you could call, of tropical development. Due north drift of any entity, I think, is a possibility, so a little higher than this, but we'll see. I'm non-committal on potential, but it's very hostile out there right now for any development. So the reversion to a supportive environment will likely take some time, and that's why we're looking at that 10 to 14 day window. The drought monitor for the Northeast, I wanted to hone in a little bit about this a little more. I talked about this as well. This is actually the older one. Let's get the newer one out here for you. This is the newer version. As you can see, we did not really make many inroads from last week. And again, this is released weekly. So southeastern Connecticut, Rhode Island, all the way up the seacoast are really just in dire need of some rain. And although there's something on the maps for next week, early next week, it's still not going to be enough to really squash what we've got going on here. So, but any little bit helps. So here, change comes quick. A mild subpattern ousting is underway. This will be the force that pushes out our small rebound. This is the winds of change. A lot of gusts today into tomorrow as that front pulls through. Changes are going to start filtering in today, but out east it'll be more Monday into Tuesday when the noticeable subpattern reversion begins. It's going to be a strong front, solid rainfall, hopefully low development along the front for enhancement. Hopefully we can see that inch or so of rain. The advancing rainfall and strong storm potential for today. It's isolated in Florida, but the shear is high, so we'll see what's going on there. And here are the seeds of change in a wider view. It began over central Russia in mid-July, sending us over the summer backbreaker in mid-August with those real high temperatures, and our more recent mid-September step down. So no late summer warmth this year in the Northeast. This was obvious months ago. The strong reinforcement of this ongoing in the background is on its way, as we've been discussing. And as humidity increases, actually, let's just pop up into this one again, sorry. As humidity increases this weekend with a southerly flow, we are going to have to watch for some coastal fog. Let me throw a little thing in here for that. But here, here's your primary driver. It slides southeast to east. And then one Sunday, we have our prefrontal mild flow. Here's our cold front. Here's our trough. And then here's our weak tropical disturbance that should turn frontal low rainfall. It should be our enhancer along too. So this should merge together. And there's that Monday, Tuesday rainfall up the coast that we're hoping this is the window that feeds all that moisture up there. So we'll see. See what's going on. I'm going to take a break from it, and we'll go back, and we'll start again on Monday. I'm meteorologist Steve Kristinowski. Have a great weekend.